I really have a passion and love for mock trial. Love seeing my students get in the courtroom and go through all the things that they've been working hard for, and then watching them go out and perform what they've been working on. Well, my background was in juvenile corrections, and I took juveniles to court a lot of times and watched them go through their cases as far as minor incidents that they may have been involved in. And then now being in the teaching field for more than 15 years and teaching mock trial and being an advisor for about 12 years now. I've just learned and talked to attorneys and attorney coaches that come in and help, and that's kind of really helped me build a background to get to my students. The experience has been great. I love it as long as the kids enjoy it and that they love being involved in it. We've had some great success and we've had some heartbreak in mock trial, but it's a tough competition. But I love it, and I love watching the students go out and work hard and love seeing what they put forth. I think last year, my favorite mock trial memory, I had a great team. I mean, it was a team of all seniors, so I'll be rebuilding this year. But we went in, and our first night we got 2 best attorney ballots, and we got 3 best witness ballots, and we won all 3 ballots that round, and it was a great round. Our next round we went out and we put forth our best effort. And I thought in my heart we won, but it's tough competition and we didn't end up winning that round. But great memories with that group of kiddos I had last year. It was just something that was kind of thrown in my lap. I didn't know much about it, and so I started looking into it, and took a group of students out, and they wanted to be involved in it, and so they told me about it, and so I started coaching them up and getting people to come in and help out and just develop a passion for it. I just enjoy it now. So a lot of students think that, you know, once you go to law school, you're going to be in the courtroom and get that courtroom experience. In mock trial, you're going to get that opportunity to be in the courtroom and see what it's like, and preparing your case and doing your case study and building questions and opening and closing arguments. And in law school, you don't get the opportunity to do that. You're in law school to learn and to pass your bar exam, but you don't get that opportunity until you become a lawyer and get in the courtroom. It takes a lot of work, a lot of hours reading your case over and over, a lot of hours of practicing, a lot of hours of working with your partners and working with your group. It takes a lot of work and a lot of commitment, and students that want to be a part of mock trial, they have to be committed to doing the work. This is as accurate as you can get. The cases they're made up cases, but there's a lot of evidence that comes out in those cases. The opening and closing statements, everybody memorizes those. The attorneys memorize their questions. The witnesses memorize their witness statements. It is like a real deal experience, as real as it's going to get as far as being in the courtroom. It's a good experience for kiddos, and you have to put your nerves aside and go forth, and all the hard work that you put forth, it's time to show up at that time. My first mock trial team, I think I was maybe about 28, 29 when I had my first mock trial team. And so it was tough. Like I said, we put forth a lot of hard work. I didn't know much about it at that time, the first time that I did it, and so it took a lot of help from other people that had that experience as far as being in the courtroom to help my students. But we did a great job. I think we've progressed a lot from that time to now. My method is I tell students, if you want to be a lawyer, if you want to be an attorney, the time that you can get in that courtroom and working on a court case is now. Experience this now before you go in and you go to law school, and it's something that you don't want to do. If you're a student that's shy and not outgoing, joining mock trial will get that out of you. That first year, it is a little bit nerve-wracking as far as getting in that courtroom, but that second year, if you want to be a lawyer, I guarantee you're going to be a lot better.